Hi everyone. Okay, I did my unboxing of the Christmas one. Now I want to get to this one because I'm excited about this one. I love the color combo that I have seen on YouTube with and Instagram with this kit. So hopefully it's still night. It's night, and hopefully we can see this in all its glory. So this is the Sparkling Holidays kit. It has a lot of purple and silver in it, you guys. So I'm assuming, I don't know what the dye is. Is it the owls? It must be the owls, right? Christmas owls and leaves, I think. Must be. Okay, so the standard foam and adhesive roll. The 10 cards, 10 envelopes. That's standard. And let me move this out of the way. That way I can put this here. Okay. And then, oh, look how pretty. We get these gems. Look how pretty they are. They are a baby blue and like a darker blue. I'm not sure if it's too dark in my room because it's nighttime. Oh, these are nice sentiments. I like the blockiness of it. They're not a font. They're just like block. I like that. Okay, this is my kit where I get the card kit of the month. This is a brownish silver. This is the card kit of the month and the large die and small die of the month. That's what I get. Hold on, I'm trying to pop you back out. Okay, and baby blue. Ooh, pretty pink, baby pink, purple, a lilac. This is my favorite color, lilac. And then this is like a grayish bluish, a pine green, and a pure white. So that's a lot of cardstock. So got that. And then so with my card kit, large die of the month and small die of the month, which I have been super happy with, I get it's $63, and that includes shipping. And I think it's worth it. I'm pretty happy with these kits so far. I love that. Oh, look, and it has a little dimension too. You see that? It has a little dimension. Oh, I like this one. So what I told my viewers, if you watch my Project Life Obsessed videos, then you'll know that my goal was to make 10 cards, because I see everybody else on YouTube do this, and I'm like, my cards, my kits keep stacking up, and that happens, right? When your months go by so fast that you can't keep up. Well, I decided that my goal, I'm going to challenge myself to make 10 cards. I'm not part of anything or any design team or anything. It's just what I've seen other people do, and so I'm like, I want to challenge myself to make 10 cards just using this kit, and that is it, except for bringing in like the foam adhesive or the foam dots and stuff like that, just the adhesive part of things. But I want to make 10 cards, so I plan on turning this video off, and I love this. Let me put you in now. These are really beautiful. So look how pretty that is, you guys. Let me see if I'll show you. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love the colors. So when I turn off the camera, oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at this one. I won't do that to everyone, but just to a couple of them. It's night in my office, so it's having a hard time. Look, it looks dimensional, right? It's crazy. I like that. And so I'm going to turn off the camera. I'm going to make 10 cards, and then I'll turn back on the camera. So at the end of this video, you will see the 10 cards. So, and it will just be using just this kit. I may or may not do the die, that's part of this kit. That I haven't decided if I'm going to do, only because I love Project Life, and I have 2 weeks that I'm behind on right now, and I leave at the end of this week. So so I don't want to get too far behind, because I love it and it's my zen. But I love these. These are my absolute, if I could have like 20 of these, I'd be super happy. And so I just don't want it takes time to do dies, and to think of things and all that stuff, and I'm not sure if I really want to do that right now. Oh, look at this one, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am in love with these flowers. These flowers are like the best ones yet that I've seen. Hold on. Look at that. And they're flat. It's just amazing. Love that. Oh, look at the little mouse. Come on, focus. It's having a harder time because of the glare of my body and the darkness. So you saw that, so I'm going to put, I'll bring in some and then I'll move it out of the way. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, the leaves. These are pretty. Cheers. Oh, look at this one. See, lilac's my favorite color though, so hopefully you guys will be inspired to do them too, because I think you can do so much with just die cuts alone. I think you can, and so I'm going to show you guys that you can. That's my goal. So I'm just going to keep throwing them down right here because I don't want the video to be super long. But you get so much to go all the way. I love the silver, you guys. The silver is just great. Look at that owl. There's a man that we know who lives where I do, and his eyebrows look just like this, and he is the cutest thing ever. He's just an older man, and it's so like awesome. It really is awesome. And his eyebrows look exactly like that. I look like a woolly mammoth when my eyebrows grow out, so some people can do it and look cute, and I'm like, roar. I am man, hear me roar. So, yeah. Oh, look how pretty that is. Okay, so I'm gonna just try and hurry up, you guys, so, because there's so much. There really is so much. I am going to have so much fun with this. Holiday wishes. Oh my gosh, look at this pile. This pile is amazing. Oh, look at this. Merry ho ho ho. Merry ho ho ho. That's cute. I enjoy life, so everything makes me laugh or entertains me, so I'm not a grumpy bunny. So let's see, Christmas wish. How cute. Okay, so look at this pile, you guys. Look at, can you see how massive it is? I'm gonna have so much fun. That's gonna be good. Okay, I'm already inspired. Okay, so let's look at the die you get. So we'll have to see. Okay, let me move this out of the way. So yeah, so Merry Christmas, holiday cheer, ha, and then the leaves, and then a little baby poinsettia. You can see that. That one's cute. I think I had something pop in my head right now, so I might end up using the die after all. Okay, so let's look at the paper. I like the color because it's not traditional, and I am a traditional girl, but I love this color combo. It is spectacular. Let me scooch it back out. Hold on. So it should be 2 of each sheet. Oh, look at that already. The first one, it's gold foil, or silver foil, sorry. Flowers. Blue. The swans with little Christmas hats. How cute is that? Oh, pretty. Isn't that bokeh? Isn't that what they call it? Pine needles. Bess is in the bedroom. It's late at night and I was watching football and came in here real quick, and he didn't follow. He's still snoring in bed, so there's no snores in this month's video because he's in the other room. I love this. This is amazing. Totally feeling this kit, you guys. Totally feel I can do 10. And if I can do more, I'll do more. But yeah, that's great. Okay, so that was the whole kit. Super happy with it. This is the small die of the month, and it is this girl. I like that. She can hold a Christmas tree, a pie, or a present. Super cute. So that's all her pieces and parts right there. There's a lot of videos on YouTube also with her. Oh wow, and this is the large die of the month. I didn't get to see this one fully, but Nicole Spore, who I watch her videos, let's see, she's like, there's a ton of dies in this kit, and I was like, I didn't get to see them, and I fell asleep before rewinding. Or is it called rewinding? Is it a VHS type? But YouTube, scrolling back, how about that? So pumpkin, I like this pumpkin. The pumpkin's cute and fat and fun, which I kind of feel like I am, but hey. So we got leaves, flowers. Oh, you know what? Let me show you in the back. Oh, okay. So here we go. Oh, pretty. Leaves. Oh, look it, and that's what you could do with that die. Holiday Sparkle. How cute. Do we get that stuff? Oh yeah, you get that right there. You get, oh no, this says thanks. It's a Holiday Sparkle. But you get thanks. How weird, huh? That's funny, but that's okay. So, alrighty guys, I'm going to have fun. So I might bring this one or this one into my card set. I'm not sure yet, but I'm excited. So I'm going to turn it off now. I'll be right back with however many cards I can get. Alright guys, take care. Bye. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm back. So I did my 10 cards. Hopefully you enjoyed them. They were fun. And so I want to tell you that what I did is I used nothing but the die cuts. And then I used this poinsettia die. So that's all I used. And then the only thing that I brought in from my own stash, even though I really wanted to do more, that, you know, because when you're a crafter, you have a lot more stuff, right? You have dies, and you have just more stuff. But I challenged myself to not use any of that, to just use what was in the kit. So the only thing I brought in was this Brilliance, and I'll show you when I use that, and then this ribbon, and I'll show you for that where I use that at too, because I really wanted. Should I bring it up closer? Here you go. So I really wanted to. The twine that, or we didn't get any string or twine or anything. That was the Christmas kit, and I didn't want to use that. I wanted, there was a special kind that I wanted, and so that's why I used that ribbon. And I did add a lot of dimension to these because, you know, dimension, you know, does a lot. So here's where I brought in the ribbon, and that's because I think the ornaments needed it. So. And then these also are dimensional. So, and then I brought in this one. So this was the actual paper. And so it was very simple. All of these were kind of simple, but it's just, they were fun. You know, it was just fun. Oh, that goes down. That'll go down there. There you go. Christmas wish. Now with this, with one of these, this was on top of, let me show you real quick. That was on top of this sticker, and I just pulled it off. And, you know, that's what you need to do, is just, you know, you don't have to use things as they were intended. This is my favorite one. I love this one so much. This is so fun. It's so fun. It's dimensional. Let's see. So these are my 10 cards. Let me see if I can scoot you back out. Yeah, I can. Okay, my phone, it's going to go dead. Anyways, I hope you liked them. So I will talk to you all next month, and I hope to do this again. So on Instagram, I'll take pictures and show them all there. All right, guys, take care. Bye.